Hi kiddos, this is Miss Stark with another video. This time we're going to be looking at square roots. So we did the IMB and list all the square roots from 1 to 20. So this should be pretty easy without having to really look at these square roots. But I will show you how to use it on a calculator. So just a reminder, squares are where you're putting a number to the second power. Square roots are the inverse operation. So we have, like, say the square 7 squared would be 7 times 7, which is 49, but the square root of 49 is 7. So they're kind of they're the inverse of each other. They cancel each other out is what you can think of. So for this first part we're going to find square roots, and the second part we're going to estimate between square roots. So here we have the square root of 16. So I know that 16 is 4 squared, so I know that my answer is going to be, let me make this bigger, it's going to be 4. And I can show you with my calculator. So here's my calculator. So what you're going to do is, I have this one right here. It says 2, and then it has that radical sign, so I'm going to use this. And or do I click? Okay, so you put your number in first, so 16, and then you hit this 2 radical sign x, and you get 4. Okay, I'll do it again with this one. So I do 100, and then 2 radical sign. It's going to be 10. I do it with 36, 36, radical sign 6. So this is 10, and this is 6. Okay, so that's that part done. So now we're going to go down here, and we have some numbers that are not so nice when it comes to being the square root, and I can show you. So we have 85, so we do 85, radical sign. It's not a pretty number. So for this one, what we're going to do is, you were going to get that list that you made from the square roots and cube roots, and you're going to look at that top row that says square, and you're going to find the 2 numbers that fall between 85. You will notice that 9 would be one, and 10 would be where they fall in, because 9 squared is 81, and 10 squared is 100. Now you need to find out, well, I want 10, not 100. Now you need to find out which one is closer to 85. And the way you can check this is by finding out which one has the furthest distance. So you'll do 85 minus 81, which equals 4. And then you'll do 100 minus 85, which equals 15. So as you can see, 4 is a lot smaller than 15. So my answer is, it's closer to 9. Okay, now you do the same thing for number 5. You have the square root of 20, and if you look on your chart, you'll see that it's between 4 squared, which is 16, and 5 squared, which is 25. So again, we're going to do our little test to see which one's closer. Like I said, 4 squared is 20, so we can, not 20, 4 squared is 16, so we're going to do 16 minus 20 minus 16, which is 4. Then we're going to do the same thing with 5 squared, which is 25, minus 20 equals 5. As you see, it's closer to 4 squared than 5, because 4 is smaller than 5. Not these numbers, but these numbers when we subtract the square from it. It's just ironic that it happened to be 4 for 4 squared and 5 for 5 squared. Okay. And that is all you're doing. Whoops, I want 4. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope this video has helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Don't forget to show your work, which is this.